Welcome back to the channel. Today, we take you inside the full orange juice factory process, from fresh harvest to final bottling.
Before the factory begins its work, everything starts here in the orchards. Thousands of oranges are harvested.
Each orange is carefully selected by hand to ensure only the highest quality reaches processing.
Move that stack to the second truck now.
Careful! It's heavy!
We need more crates over here.
The journey from farm to factory is short but critical. Any delay can affect the natural freshness of the fruit.
All right, back it up slowly now. Watch the chute on the left.
Each orange is inspected visually as it moves along the conveyor to identify quality variations before washing. Washing removes dirt, dust, and natural residues, ensuring the fruit is fully prepared for safe juice extraction.
After washing, each orange is graded automatically to ensure uniformity in the production process.
This is only the beginning of the journey. Next, the real transformation of oranges into juice begins inside the core processing system. After sorting, the oranges enter a controlled cleaning environment where every surface is thoroughly washed before processing begins.
Rotating brushes gently remove natural residues while preserving the integrity of each orange. Even the water used in washing is carefully filtered and recycled within the facility. High-speed air systems remove excess water to prepare oranges for the next stage.
Uniform spacing ensures smooth movement into the cutting and extraction section.
Each orange is precisely cut to prepare for efficient juice extraction.
The extraction process uses controlled pressure to release fresh juice while separating pulp and peel.
Filtration ensures purity and consistency before the juice moves further into production.
The pressure in tank 4 is rising above the limit.
Noted. Adjust the flow rate immediately.
From here, the juice continues into advanced processing, where safety and preservation become the focus of production.
This is the heart of the factory, where oranges are transformed into pure juice through continuous industrial extraction systems. Under controlled pressure, every drop of juice is extracted with maximum efficiency and minimal waste. The production line operates in layers, allowing continuous movement without interruption in processing.
Every drop is purified through advanced filtration systems to ensure clarity and consistency.
Centrifugal force refines the juice, separating unwanted residues at microscopic levels.
Each batch is blended to maintain a consistent taste and quality across production. Advanced sensors continuously monitor quality parameters during processing. Heat treatment ensures safety while preserving natural flavor and nutrients. Temperature holding steady at 4 degrees Celsius. Acknowledged. Logging the data now.
From here, the juice moves into precision refinement, where final adjustments prepare it for quality control.
After extraction, the juice enters a refinement stage, where purity and texture are further enhanced.
Multi-layer filtration removes even the finest natural residues from the juice.
Blending tanks ensure every batch achieves uniform taste and consistent quality.
De-aeration removes trapped air, preserving flavor stability and extending shelf life.
Every batch is continuously monitored to maintain strict industrial standards. Temperature control stabilizes the juice before final preparation stages. Refined juice is now unified into controlled holding systems before final inspection.
Gentle agitation ensures consistency across every batch before final checks. Small samples are taken to verify quality consistency at every stage. With refinement complete, the juice now moves towards strict quality control for final approval.
At this stage, the juice enters a controlled quality assurance environment where every batch is carefully tested.
Advanced testing systems evaluate physical properties to ensure consistency across production.
Microbial safety tests ensure the juice meets strict hygiene requirements.
Consistency is measured to guarantee uniform taste and texture in every bottle.
Any batch that does not meet standards is automatically redirected for correction or reprocessing.
Thermal stability is verified to ensure long-lasting product safety.
Once approved, the juice is prepared for final filling and packaging operations.
Now the journey reaches its final stage, where the juice becomes a finished bottled product ready for the market. In the final stage, purified juice enters the bottling hall, where preparation for market distribution begins.
Each bottle is filled with exact precision to ensure uniform volume and quality. Once filled, every bottle is immediately sealed to preserve freshness and purity.
Sealing systems ensure that every bottle is completely secure before packaging continues.
After sealing, bottles are prepared for packaging in a fully automated system.
Bottles are grouped into secure cartons for safe transportation and storage.
Shrink wrapping protects the product during long-distance distribution. Completed products are stored in controlled warehouses before distribution to markets. From here, the final product is loaded for delivery to retailers and supermarkets.
From orchard harvest to bottled perfection, every step completes a